Right, yeah. Ah, yes, here we are. Eric! There's Eric and his mama Lynn.
It's raining.
Yeah, a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
So, let's see, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, this... Let's see, we're on normal now.
Too bad you're not here, Uncle King.
Let's see now, let's see, this is high gain. This is high gain. High gain. And we're normal. There's probably no difference at all, right?
You won't know until you get it on the...
Yeah.
I believe we're having a real good time.
Okay, folks.
Is this all on available light? You don't need a...
No.
Any light?
No.
No.
I think that's it, Leon. Okay, folks. Oh, here we are, folks.
Back at the yard.
Back at the ranch. Meanwhile, back at the ranch.
The yard.
Na na na.
And over here, you're missing the best part.
Na 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 na.
Thank you, Mr. Music.
Huh? Oh, don't you like the music?
Oh, I was only joking.
Holly.
Okay,
So, Holly, what do you think of that?
That what?
Gosh, all of a sudden you're not coming in clear. Why is that?
We're fading, Uncle King. It's flashback. We're going to area to another
Yeah.
part of history. We're fading.
Oh, let's see, manual, yeah.
What do you got to say for yourself?
Are we going to go to Nanny's?
But of course. Let's see, wait a minute, Holly. Just check. A little clear here.
For those of you who just tuned in, the Butchie profile. Hey! Hey!
That's Butchie. That's a clone of Butch right there, folks.
Hey! How
Hey.
you doing out there?
Hey, what's your favorite drink, Butchie?
Beer! Excuse me, I got a fart. Thank you.
Okay, let's not gross him out now. Let's not gross him out, Eric. Come on. Come on, Butchie. Butchie Jr.
All right. Yeah.
Here, Jasper. Here, Jasper.
Give me a beer. Give me a beer. This is my daughter. I love her very much. I didn't know what she would do if she went away.
Okay, that's it.
All right.
You know something? I don't even think we had you on there.
Really?
Yeah, you want to give it another Butch?
For those of you who just tuned in,
Give it another
the
Butch.
Butch profile.
Okay.
Hey! Give me a beer.
That's Butch. There's Jas. Here, Jasper. There's Holly. Just.
You know what, Hal? I have an umbrella in the back of the car. Maybe if one of you guys would walk with it with Uncle King under it. Okay.
You're on camera.
Mrs. Quiet, Eric.
Bye, Papa.
Hey, Clyde.
Hi, happy next.
How you doing?
Good Thanksgiving.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, King.
Hey, Clyde. How's it going?
Okay.
We've rented a video camera here
Oh, it's some camera.
so we can send a copy to Dean. You know.
Oh,
You
great.
look nice, Papa.
Listen, can we come in?
Sure.
Can we get that?
Okay, yeah.
Come right in. Oh, thank you, Uncle King.
After you, Eric. Don't mention it.
There you go, King.
King is there.
All the kiddies are here. A little dark in here. Let me just mosey around to the...
Want the overhead light on?
No, that's fine.
Like, what we were taking outside.
Holly, could you take me playing the piano? Holly? Let you go on, right? Now, whether you like it or not, folks.
Sounds good, Uncle King.
Yeah. Hi, King.
Hi, Mom.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yay!
Yeah.
Hi, Nat.